Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the sky picture in Lightroom. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Lightroom app itself. Let's choose this photo over here. What you have to do is go into the light and like exposure. We need to put the contrast up to like 30 and let's minus highlights to minus 40 and let's put the whites up to minus 10 and the blacks up to plus 10. I mean plus 40. You can do it white up to minus 40 as well. And let's go back to color and let's, according to your preference, whether you wanna make it more cool tone or the warm tone. And the vibrance up to plus 30. And let's add up the saturation up to 30 as well. And in the effects, let's improve the texture and the clarity as well up to 30, and the dehaze as well up to 20. Let's go to details and let's sharpen this photo, maybe a little bit like 4. And that's it. This is how you edit the sky photo in Lightroom. I hope this video was helpful. It's looking more vibrant than before. I mean, you can add this setting according to your preference. I'm saying this again. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.